India is an agro-based country as its economy relies on agriculture. But in the 1970s, farmers were suffering from unregulated farming and marketing. There was a time when Aracanate market was in distress. Private businessmen bought Aracanate at the lowest prices from farmers and were deceiving the innocent farmers from receiving a fair price for their crops. Up to the year 1973, there was a fall in price of Aracanate as the market was totally controlled by the private sector. During this time, under the leadership of Sri Varanasi Subbraya Bhatt, Camco has emerged as a ray of hope for the peasants.
ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆಯವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಅವರು ಒಬ್ಬರು ಅಡಿಕೆ ಕೃಷಿಕರು. 70ರ ದಶಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಿಕೆ ಬೆಳೆಗಾರರು ಬಹಳ ಸಂಕಷ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರು. ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಖಾಸಗಿ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿಗಳ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಡಿಕೆಯ ಧಾರಣೆ ನಿಗದಿತವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾರಣಾಸಿಯವರು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ಕೋ ಎಂಬ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಾಕಿದರು. ಇದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ಕೋ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ಉತ್ತಮ ಧಾರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಅಡಿಕೆಗೆ ಪಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಉದಾತ್ತ ಮನೋಭಾವದ ಒಬ್ಬ ಕೃಷಿಕ ಹಾಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತ ಇಲ್ಲದೇ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಥ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ಕೋದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಾಕಿರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಸೇವೆ, ಅವರ ಉದಾತ್ತ ಮನೋಭಾವ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಡಿಕೆ ಕೃಷಿಯ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ಕೋ ಖರೀದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ಕೋ ಕೇಂದ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Camco was found on July 11, 1973 by a group of senior cooperatives led by Mr. Varanasi Subbraya Bhatt, fondly known as Sahakari Ratna Camco Bhishma. The Aracanate cultivation is one of the traditional crops in the coastal districts of Dakshina Kannada and Kasaragod region. It has always withstood with the test of time. Kerala and Karnataka are not only known for humanity, literacy, industries, transport facilities, but also for the cultivation of the Aracanate, as it has marked a tremendous improvement in the quality of life in this region. Unanimously, we can say that cultivation of Aracanate, though not so easy, it promises a good income for the farmers, and Camco plays a pivotal role to make this happen. The Aracanate is harvested once it is ripe, then sun-dried and peeled before being delivered to the Camco branches. Towards the value addition to Areca, the Camco will size, grade the Aracanate, hand checks the quality of Areca before storage.
ಅಡಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಎರಡು ವಿಧವಾಗಿದೆ. ಒಂದು ಕೆಂಪಡಿಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಬಿಳಿ ಅಡಿಕೆ. ಬಿಳಿ ಅಡಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಕೇರಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಕ್ಯೂರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಕೆಂಪಡಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಬಯಲುಸೀಮೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮಲೆನಾಡು ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಕ್ಯೂರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಕೆಂಪಡಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಪಾನ್ ಮಸಾಲ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಬಿಳಿ ಅಡಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಗುಜರಾತ್, UP, ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನ, ಮಧ್ಯಪ್ರದೇಶ, ಬಿಹಾರ, ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಸುಮಾರು ಈ ವರ್ಷ ನಮ್ಮದು 2,000 ಕೋಟಿ ಹತ್ರ ಟರ್ನ್ ಓವರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸುಮಾರು 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕ್ವಿಂಟಲ್ನಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮದು ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸುಮಾರು 40 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸರ್ತಿ ಅಡಿಕೆ ರೇಟು ದಾಖಲೆ ರೇಟಿಗೆ ಮುಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
As Camco follows a systematic way of business, the Aracanate growers have been benefited with a better way of living. Camco has maintained the footprint which has lit the houses of the farmers. It has provided employment to thousands of people and brought peace and prosperity to their homes. Coca is the main intercrop between Aracanut plantation. The multinationals have started advertising to grow coca as their intercrop. Providing coca saplings and manuals, happily farmers have started cultivating coca also. But the so-called multinationals have disappeared from buying from the Indian market, which has forced the farmers to cut down the crops. At this time, Varanasi Subraya Bhatt, as a farmer himself, he was helping other farmers during their ups and downs. He sought to find a solution to this problem and visited Mumbai and knocked on the door of multinational companies. But those companies which were just dealing with the merchants and weren't interested to allow the representation of the farmers. Varanasi Subraya Bhatt, through his resilience and hard work, carved his way to the cooperative sector and flourished. He consulted and sought advice from like-minded farmers and experts and hence managed to set up the Camco chocolate factory in Puttur with latest and modern machinery and technology. On September 1st, 1986, the President of India, Shri Gyani Jail Singh, and other dignitaries inaugurated the South Asia's largest chocolate factory in the cooperative sector. The operation of Camco chocolate factory was started by installing imported machineries of world's renowned companies such as C&M, Astet Solic, etc. The building was constructed using high-end technology, providing inside flow of air, lighting and clean water. The dry coca seeds processed at different stages and converted into coca powder and coca butter. It is further converted into value-added products by adding the required ingredients. The basic facilities are scientifically designed to meet international standards. The headquarters of Camco is located in Mangalore. It has 190 branches and sub-centers across the country with more than 2,000 staff. The employment is mainly preferred to the farmer's family and locals. Due to this, indirectly more than 10,000 families are benefits financially. Camco is not owned by any industrialist or any individual trader. The real owner of this cooperative is 1,20,000 Aracanut, coca, rubber and pepper farmers. Camco buys rubber from its member growers. Copper sulfate and insecticide sprayer is providing for its member grower at subsidized rates under Camco brand. Camco began purchasing pepper in 2016 with a plan to buy all the products of the Aracanut farmers under a single roof. Refinements in international standards led to build a new amenity building including all the requirements. Camco Brahma, a book that includes the biography of Varanasi, which was written by Sri Shankara Saratka, has been published and distributed by Camco. The mechanization in agriculture is a solution to deal with the problem of the scarcity of agricultural workers. In this connection, the Camco is continuously hosting agro-machinery fairs from past many years to exhibit the agro-machineries to the grower members invented by farmer members and others. As per the project of the Government of India, Skill India, Camco has organized Adike Kaushalya Pade. This course is for areca tree climbers and assistants, which was planned and conducted in 2018 and 2019. Camco also provides training and information camp on coca growing, seed processing. Printed handbooks containing information of coca cultivation is also made available. Camco is distributing coca saplings at concessional rate to its grower members, thereby making a contribution towards the green energy. Camco provides financial support to its grower members and medical expenses for their family members as part of social responsibility. Camco has formed a group called Camco in Seva as part of social services which runs various social services. The state and national export awards were secured by Camco consistently from 2012 onwards for exports of coca-based products exported to various countries. Camco exports 34 chocolate products to more than 11 foreign countries. Since 2017, Camco has consistently supplying its products to the Indian Navy as a nourishing food for the energy enchantment. With the intention of selling and introducing various products of Camco to the public, sophisticated kiosk has been opened in Puttur, Mangalore and Bangalore. Further, all products are available in all Camco branches is being operated. Camco's chocolate products are now available on Amazon, the online shopping application.
ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಒಂದು 7500 ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಟನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಕೊಕ್ಕೋ ಬೀಜವನ್ನು ಅರೆಯುವ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೂರಕವಾಗಿ ಕೊಕ್ಕೋ ಸಂಬಂಧಿತ ಹಲವು ಉತ್ಪನ್ನಗಳನ್ನು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟ ಕಾಯ್ದೆಯ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ತನ್ನ ಬೇಡಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಉತ್ಪಾದನಾ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯವನ್ನು ಸುಮಾರು 20,000 ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಟನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಕೊಕ್ಕೋ ಸಂಬಂಧಿತ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನಗಳನ್ನು ದೇಶೀಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಎಂಬ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ನ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಯ ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಒಂದು 65% ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಬಳಕೆಯನ್ನು ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿಂಡ್ಮಿಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾವು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಫುಡ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
Students, agriculturists, entrepreneurs and other interested people from all over the country, locally and from abroad, have visited Camco Chocolate Factory and they have discussions about coca farming and its products. Nearly 16,000 people were visited the factory in a year on an average. Windmill, solar energy, water harvesting, ETP, eco-friendly boiler and VAM have been adopted to protect environmental conservation and green energy. On 11th of July, we celebrate Camco Day every year. The Camco has strictly followed the COVID directives in all its offices to deal with the current COVID-19 pandemic and continued the business with proper systems without disturbing the procurement of perishable agri products, wet cocoa beans from farmers. The business has faced initial challenges during demonetization, introduction of GST, flood, COVID-19, and the economy was hit by such situation and there was no buyers for agricultural crops. However, Camco has continued its business with the continuous cooperation of the farmer members and paying taxes to the government as per rules. Camco has implemented paperless Camco through the Prime Minister's Dream Project, Digital India, to reduce paper usage and promote digital business, cashless branch transactions, software adoption in member share section, SMS service, advertising, social media, mobile phone facility, market rate messaging, etc. Camco is the most prominent cooperative in providing all the facilities to the employees. To enhance the business volume, Camco is building a centralized warehouse with modern system at Kao near Puttur, along with the pepper processing unit. The turnover of Camco during the financial year 2019-2020 is Rs 1,848 crores. Reserve fund 339.21 crores. The equity capital of the company is Rs 51.73 crores. Camco achievement is on the path to success today, and there is a lot of people behind it. By providing a stable market not only for the arecanut and coca but also for rubber and pepper. Camco has earned a reputation for upholding the interest of the farmer members during even challenging situations. Camco is growing hand in hand with grower members towards prosperity.